Good evening, children of class 6. Coming back to your literature class. In my last class, we have finished the lesson 7, Christmas Truce. A very nice story which has shown that when there is a religious belief, common religious belief, then all the demarcating lines, all the dividing lines between us, that gets removed. And so, if people think that they can be good friends, then they can move forward and good relations always persist. So, this was a very nice motto or the moral of our previous classes story. Today, we are going to start off with a new poem. This is also in your second unit test. In the bazaars of Hyderabad. Now, Hyderabad is a famous, very famous city. You all can remember the, what is that? Ramoji City, Ramoji Film City. That is the famous part of Hyderabad. So, but I remember Hyderabad as a Hyderabad itself because of Hyderabadi pearls. Hyderabadi মুক্ত সেট নিশ্চয়ই তোমাদের তোমরা দেখেছো বা শুনেছো তো যাই হোক In the Bazaars of Hyderabad, it's a nice poem written by Sarojini Naidu. She was a very famous writer. She took birth in Hyderabad itself. She was an Indian independence activist, means she fought for India's freedom. She was a poet and a feminist. Feminist মানে যারা সবসময় নারীদের জন্য লড়াই করে, who always talk in support of females. They are called feminist. So she has written many poems and writings, and in the Bazaars of Hyderabad is one of the famous poem of her. Today we will do only first 2 stanzas, 2 paragraphs. Rest of 3 paragraphs I'll do in my next session. Then it will be easy for you to remember as well as to understand. The poet visits the bazaars of Hyderabad. The poet, actually this is going to be a poetess. Anyways, the poetess visits the bazaars of Hyderabad. There, whatever she has seen, whatever she has realized, whatever she has felt, that she has tried to depict in her poem. What do you sell? Oh, ye merchants, richly your wares are displayed. Turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade, mirrors with panels of amber, daggers with handles of jade. What do you weigh, O ye vendors? Saffron and lentil and rice. What do you grind, O ye maidens? Sandalwood, henna and spice. What do you call, O ye peddlers? Chessmen and ivory dice. What do you make, O ye goldsmith? Wristlet and anklet and ring. Bells for the feet of the blue pigeons, frail as a dragonfly's wing. Girdles of gold for the dancers, scabbards of gold for the king. What do you cry, O ye fruitmen? Citron, pomegranate and plum. What do you play, O musicians? Sitar, sarangi and drum. What do you chant, O magicians? Spells for the eons to come. What do you weave, O ye flower girl? With tassels of azure and red, crowns of the brow of the bridegroom, chocolates for garland his bed, sheets of white rose blossom new gathered to perfume the sleep of the dead. So this is the full poem. Once I have read the full poem so that you all can learn the style of reading. You know, a poem should be read in a specific style and pattern. But a story can be read in any way. So let's see what first 2 paragraphs are telling us. What do you sell, O ye merchants? O ye matlab you. Ye, you. Right over there with pencil. Ye, you merchants. What do you sell? What are you selling? Oh, you merchants. Oh, merchants. Richly your wares are displayed. Wares matters. Sorry. Ways, wares, matters, materials, objects, things which they have come to sell in the bazaar. Richly, your wares are displayed. Your all the things are so rich. They are so highly, matlab, expensive. They are nicely displayed, shown. Turbans of crimson and silver. Turbans. Turban is a type of jewelry. Crimson and silver. Crimson is a metal. Turban is made up of. I'll send all these meanings along with your word meanings in the notes. So don't worry for that. Just understand the poem. Turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple brocade. Brocade. Brocade হচ্ছে এক ধরনের কাজ, হাতের কাজ, ব্রোকেডের কাজ। পার্পল ব্রোকেড, পার্পল কালার দিয়ে ব্রোকেড করা টিউনিক, আর ক্রিমসন আর সিলভার কালার দিয়ে তৈরি করা টার্বানস। মিরর্স উইথ প্যানেলস অফ অ্যাম্বার, ড্যাগার্স উইথ হ্যান্ডেলস অফ জেড। অ্যাম্বার সেমি প্রিশিয়াস স্টোন, এক ধরনের দামি পাথর দিয়ে মিররটাকে তৈরি করা হয়েছে। অ্যান্ড ড্যাগার্স উইথ হ্যান্ডেলস অফ জেড, জেড ওই টাইপেরই কোনো প্রিশিয়াস স্টোনের নাম হচ্ছে জেড, সেটা দিয়ে ড্যাগার তৈরি করা হয়েছে। ড্যাগার মতলব ভোজালি টাইপের। হোয়াট ডু ইউ ওয়ে ও ইয়ে ভেন্ডার্স? ভেন্ডার্স, ভেন্ডার্স মানে কুলি, যারা ওই ইউ মাস্ট হ্যাভ সিন ইন ট্রেনস, ভেন্ডার্সরা থাকে মুঠে, যারা মাথায় মাল বই বই নিয়ে যায়। হোয়াট আর ইউ ওয়েইং? তোমরা ওজন করে কি দেখছো? স্যাফরন অ্যান্ড লেন্টিল অ্যান্ড রাইস। স্যাফরন, স্যাফরন হচ্ছে তোদের ওই যে, আরে রেড কালারের হয়, দুধে দিয়ে খায় অনেকে, কেসার, কেসার, কেসার ইজ স্যাফরন। স্যাফরন, লেন্টিল অ্যান্ড রাইস, রাইস, স্যাফরন, এগুলোকে তোমরা ওয়েট করছো? হাউ মাচ ইজ দ্য ওয়েট? then only you will tell how much amount you are going to take for carrying this weight. What do you grind, oh ye maiden? Maiden, lady, grind, grind, পিষছে। স্যান্ডেলউড, হেনা অ্যান্ড স্পাইস। স্যান্ডেলউড চন্দন কাঠ, তার গুঁড়ো। হেনা, হেনা পাতা, ওটাকে বাটছে। স্পাইস, মশলা, যে কোনো রকমের মশলা। হোয়াট ডু ইউ কল ও ইয়ে পেডলার্স? Chessmen and ivory dice. Peddlers, peddlers are a type of people. They sell ivory. Ivory হচ্ছে হাতির দাঁত, তার যে তোর কি বলবো, গিফট আইটেমসগুলো হয়, শোপিসগুলো হয়, those things who sell, they are called peddlers. So she is asking, what are you selling? Chessmen and ivory dice. Dice, plain tray made up of the teeth of elephant, that is ivory. Okay, so she is having so much queries, so much inquiry that what these people are doing in bazaar, such a crowded area. Let's see what they are selling and what is the response of them. What happened next, that we will follow in our next session. Please read these two paragraphs and try to understand. I'll forward the meanings of the hard words, tough words, which you must have not understood. I'll forward the meanings, so don't get panicked. Just read these two paragraphs very nicely.